Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PS5 controller to your iPhone. So let's get started. So first, in order to do this, we need to put our PS5 controller in pairing mode. So in order to do that, we're going to locate this PS5 logo and then this button right here. We need to press and hold both of them at the same time until we see like a blue light flashing on the LED right here. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to press and hold, and it's about a few seconds, like maybe 5 seconds or so. As you can see here, right now it's flashing. It's hard to see, but it's flashing, which means it's good to go. And then I'm going to take my iPhone, open up on my settings, and then make sure to go into Bluetooth and turn on Bluetooth. And you should see a device that says DualSense wireless controller. And if I tap on it, I can begin the pairing. As you can see here, now it's connected and we are ready to use our controller. The color changes to like a orange color, and then you see a light here, and we can use it to, of course, play any games on our iPhone. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your devices. We'll see you guys next time.